mustard and pickles.
Huh?
Mustard and pickles.
Mustard and pickles.
Why not? No, I'm not pregnant. Who loves their ducky?
That was more of a rhetorical question, but okay. Dill or sweet pickles?
Sweet.
You answer?
Sweet, please.
Okay.
Who loves their ducky? Oh, nice ducky. Give him nice pets. Oh, good girl. Say, I love you, ducky. Oh, nice pet. Oh, and a hug and a kiss. Best buddy, ducky. Go lie down, ducky. Thanks for coming by. Get off of me.